This is our solder station. This is where you'll be using fire. Safety equipment up here that's required are safety glasses and a dust mask. The vents need to be turned on before you can work. In order to check the vents, place your hand in the vent, check for airflow. If there's no airflow, head to the middle room. Turn on your vent switch right here. And check again. Should be able to fill that airflow through there pretty quickly. This is the only place in the room where we use fire. Down here at the end, at the last solder station, we have our acid pickle bath. Toxic stuff. Don't use fingers. Always use your tweezers or tongs to remove the items from the acid. The white stuff here is not any sort of drugs. This is baking soda, meant to neutralize the acid. We'll go further into soldering later in the semester.